Hey friends of the twins, welcome back for another video. This is Rhonda here, and today we are going to be giving a little refresh to my entryway, this area right here with the mirror. So if you're interested in that, then I want you to please keep watching. But before we get into the video, I want to take just a minute. I have a couple of special shout outs that I want to give. The first one is to someone who has been so motivational and inspirational from us just watching her. It's one of our YouTube sisters, and I'm sure y'all probably already know who she is. Her name is Sparkle Love. So Sparkle, if you're watching this, Shonda and I appreciate you so much. I'm going to tell you what we like about you. The first thing is your energy. Friends, sometimes Sparkle will put out 2 videos in one day. And for us, that's so motivational, because some days I'm like, oh, I don't think I'm going to do much with YouTube today. I'm not going to do anything. And I'll say, you know what, Rhonda? If Sparkle can put out 2 videos, you need to get yourself up and get to going. Also, her personality. She will keep you laughing. And another thing that we really enjoy about you, Sparkle, is you tell it like it is. And we feel like you are like our sister girl next door. So we appreciate, we just appreciate you so much here on YouTube. For y'all that don't know, we're pretty new. Yeah, we just made a year, so we're pretty new. We don't always know what to do and how to do it. Sparkle is motivation for us to get up and get going, and we just appreciate it so much. Also, there are some friends of the twins that we want to say a special hello to. Now, if I don't call your name, please, 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 in no way does it diminish you or is it meant to slight you. It's just that, this old lady here, my brain doesn't work like it used to. But I want to say a special hello to Gina, to Aza, Tori, Rochelle, Dee, Audrey, Nancy. Oh my gosh, is there anyone else that I am missing? I have 2 subscribers, and both of them are named Monica. So Monica's, we appreciate you. Hey, y'all always ride for your girls, and we appreciate you so much. If I haven't called your name, we love you. We appreciate you just as much as anybody else. But those ladies, we appreciate you so much. You always watch our videos. You always leave us a comment. And, y'all just don't know. Words can go a long way. It's very encouraging. Like, you always encourage us and inspire us to keep going and make it through another day. So we appreciate that. And another special hello that we want to say, first of all, I'll say that, here on YouTube, you are able to go into your analytics and it will tell you your percentage of female viewers and your percentage of male viewers. The majority of our friends of the twins are females, but our male subscribers is growing also. And we are so appreciative of that. But there is one male subscriber who sticks with us through thick and thin. He always watches our videos and he always leaves us a comment. He's funny. He's another one that gives us the energy and the motivation to make it through another day here on YouTube. His name is Walter. So Walt, if you're watching, we see you and we appreciate you, and thank you so much for always supporting us. And now we're going to get on into the video, and I wanted to show you what I'm going to be using. I have these flowers here, which are hydrangeas, and this will let you know what color I'm going with also. And then I have this flower stem here, and this pretty I love this color green, but this one has 3 flowers on it. I also have this stem, and we're going to see if there's anything we can do with this one. And it has like these little, I don't know what you call them, Is it a berry or some kind of little fruit? But anyway, we're going to try to use these. And I also have this flower stem. It's kind of like the first one that I showed you. When you open it up, look how pretty that is. With the glitter on it. Okay, so those are the flower stems. And then over here, I just pulled out some ribbon. I have this one. And I also have this. Here's another option. I don't know why it's showing up kind of dark green. It's not. It's the same green as those flower stems. But anyway, that's a pretty one. It might be able to use. And I also have this. I'm not going to use the one with the burgundy. This was a fall bow that I had. But I have this one as an option also. And as you can see, it's trimmed in it's wire and it's trimmed in with the sparkly edge. And this is a swag that I made. All of these flowers in this swag were bought at the Hobby Lobby. Let me pick it up so you can see it better. So here's the swag. And what we're going to be doing is just adding to this swag. Let's see what. Making progress with our swag here. I wanted to show y'all this and give you this little tip. Like, this is just a regular bread tie that comes on a loaf of bread. I keep a fair amount of these because if you are crafty and like to do things with your hands, you know, you will be amazed at the number of things that you can use this little tie for. Like here with this swag, it is the perfect size for me to use to tie this ribbon onto these flowers. Another little thing I wanted to show y'all is here is the front of this swag. Let me turn it over. And I wanted to show you that I did not cut my ribbon. My ribbon was long, you know, so I had extra. I did not cut it. I just tried it. I folded it in a longer length so that it wouldn't be bulky on the back of the swag. And here are some more of those bread ties. I don't like to cut ribbon. If I don't have to, I don't like to cut flower stems because, you know, I just never know what my next project is going to be. And I don't want to have a bunch of cut up ribbon and flowers and all of that. And with the bread ties, like I said, I've used those before to make bows. I've used them. You saw I used them on this swag. And I'm going to show you one more thing that I use these bread ties for. Okay, I'm down here in the guest bedroom and the lighting is a little different down here, but this is what is called a bishop sleeve. And so I even used a bread tie to make my little poofy there. See there? Just a bread tie. And then you just cover it up. And friends, who's gonna know it? Nobody's gonna know it but me and you. And we're not gonna tell a soul. And so next I want to try to incorporate the hydrangeas because I think they're just so pretty, and I was going to show y'all. It came like this was one single bush. Okay, so when I say I don't like to cut stems, I don't mind cutting them apart. I just don't like to cut the length of them. I'd much rather just take it and bend the stem to get the desired height.